Well, surprise, surprise, the Fed is going to be tapering. Well, it's not news, so why has the market reacted so much? It's because short-term traders have finally gotten into the idea and the pattern of being long the market, having previously for years been in the pattern of being short. But having just got into the pattern of being long, they've probably overdone it a little bit. So any reason for caution, I guess, is saw a snowballing rolling out of the longs effect. The S&P 500, for instance, could fall a little bit further, 1750, 1747 area. But I tend to think the market really is looking to bottom about here. I think a lot of those short-term longs got out, and the medium and long-term buying interest is still very strong for this market. But just coming back to tapering for a moment, it was always going to happen. Janet Yellen coming in means it will be a gentle process. She's more likely to spread the process out, which is why I think it will start in January, but it will be in smaller chunks that the stimulus is reduced and unwound over 2014. We're going to start early 2014. We're going to be finished by the end of 2014 in terms of quantitative easing and stimulus to an economy which, quite frankly, doesn't need it. And the risk was always that the stimulus would stay in place for too long, and that is exactly what is occurring. Now, the market sell down is really quite interesting because the market should buy on this news. What tapering signifies is that the recovery has turned into a robust, self-sustaining economic expansion. That means GFC, sovereign debt crisis, all those great fear-mongering fictional stories that we've had to deal with in recent years are well and truly in the history basket, the history dust basket, because they were never going to happen in the first place. So we're looking here at a situation where the market has had a knee-jerk reaction to news, which they should have been expecting. Of course, the Fed's going to taper. They should have been expecting, but they've had a knee-jerk sell-off when they should have bought. The news is actually fundamentally good. Bring on tapering, I say, because once that first round of tapering is in place as well, people will see, oh, look, the economy didn't crash after all. And then the competition will really be on to own American stocks, good American companies. Angle in on this correction. This is a dip to buy. There's absolutely no doubt about that. It may dip just a little bit further, but remember, we're at the bottom of the range of the next 10 years. Don't think top of the range of the last 10. Bottom of the range of the next 10 years. This is a dip that really shouldn't have occurred. A lot of the short-term longs are out. You won't get these opportunities very often. This is an opportunity to buy in what is still a grand bull market. Thank you.